Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to the computer class of grade 3. I am your teacher Ghazal Ikram Zai, and today inshallah from your unit number 6 editing text in MS Word 2013 we will be starting our written work. So let's see what we are going to do today. You can see over here today's task is objective type questions. Yes, my children, these are objective type questions from book page number 77, and you need to finish it on your book. This is a book work. Yes, my children, you can see today's task is the fill in the blanks, which is a book work. And before we move on for the blanks, we will discuss few things from this Word window. You can see over here, the first tab over here we have file, and when I click on this tab of file, the options which I see over here, you can see I have save as, open and close. These options are there. So the save option is available in the file tab. Now we come towards the home tab. Next to file tab is the home tab, and you can see the first option, the first box in the home tab, you can see it is written over here clipboard. So in the clipboard, the options available are paste, cut, and copy. And here you can see this is the format printer. So in the clipboard, these options are available. We are discussing this all because we will be finding our answers from these tabs we are discussing over here in the next slides. Now we have here the quick access bar. This portion, this is the quick access bar, and we have this undo and redo option. If I bring my cursor over here, you can see this is the undo and redo option available over here. As I have not written something, if I type something over here and then you can see it's able now. Undo typing and redo, repeat typing. If I undo my work and then again redo typing, I can get it back. So this option is available in quick access toolbar. These things we will be discussing inshallah in the coming slides in your blanks. Yes, my children, now this is objective type questions, book page number 77, and remember this is a book work. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with correct words. And the part A we have over here, yes, this is the keyboard shortcut to dash. The selected text is Ctrl plus C. So you know it very well that the short key which we use to copy the text, that is Ctrl plus C. Yes, that's the correct answer. We have part B, and the question is the save option is available on clicking the dash tab. As we have seen in the components we have discussed in the last lesson, in the file tab, the first tab on the Word window, when you click on it and you can save your files. So the save option is available on clicking the file tab. Our correct answer, as you can see the question bank is also given over here, is file. We have here part C from the blanks of your book page number 77. The dash command is used to reverse the undo action. Like if you have undid something, to reverse back that action, which option you can use? That is the redo command. The command used to reverse the undo action is redo. So our answer is redo. We have part D. The dash button appears on the quick access toolbar. Quick Access toolbar shows you some of the options in Word 2013 which are accessible by you, and that is one of them is Save. Yes, from the question bank you can also take the help, and your correct answer is Save option. We are going to move towards our last blank for today, part E. The part E question is, the cut option is available in the dash group of the home tab. As we had discussed in the MS Word components, in that window, in the home tab, we can see on the clipboard area save and cut and other options. So the correct answer for this part is clipboard. By the end of our lesson, you can check out your answers. The answer key is over here. From your question number 1, fill in the blanks, and that is a book work. Remember my children, this is a book work on your book page number 77. Part A answer is copy, and part B answer is file. Part C answer is redo, and the D part answer is save, and the last part E answer is clipboard. You need to match it, check it again from your book, and finish your work. It's your Google Classroom quiz time. You need to open your Google Classroom, and the quiz is over there, the things we discussed today in this lesson. Best of luck to you my children for this quiz. That's all for today my children. I hope you understand about the things we discussed about Microsoft Word 2013. Hope to see you inshallah in the next lesson, and we will be learning new things. Take care. Allah Hafiz.